So recently I did a video from the new Majorette Polizei Giftpack, Tune It Safe, and I got a question because the Audi has these extra wide wheels which I put on the GTI. Looks very good if you ask me. And the question was, will these wheels also fit on the Volkswagen ID bus? Well, we're going to try. So I'm going to take these off. And I also got some questions. Can you take this off? Yes, that is possible. That is so cool about these Majorette tuning parts. There we go. And the last one. As you can see, they come off really easy. Now, will they fit on the Volkswagen ID bus and will it look good? Going to find out. Perfect fit. And it also looks very nice. There we go. 2, 3. Where's the other one? It's right here. And 4. And I have to say, it looks fantastic. And they still roll perfect. What do you think? It's not bad at all, right? So now you know. It fits on the Volkswagen ID bus. See you soon with more Diecast. Bye.